In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom bullet points in Excel for a clean and professional looking spreadsheet. Whether you're organizing a list or simply sprucing up your document, using custom bullet points can make your information stand out in a neat and organized way. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you want to highlight the cells where you'd like to insert bullet points. This could be a single cell, a range of cells, or even an entire column, depending on your needs. Making sure you've selected exactly where you want those bullet points ensures that they'll appear exactly where you want them in the spreadsheet, keeping everything aligned and tidy. After highlighting your selected cells, the next step is to right-click to bring up the context menu. You'll see various options here that allow you to manipulate your cells in different ways. For our purpose, you'll want to locate and click on the option titled Format Cells. Once you're in the Format Cells menu, find and click on Custom from the list in the Number tab. This section allows you to define how the data in your cells is presented, letting us customize the appearance of the bullet points to match our desired style. Now it's time to customize the format to include bullet points. You'll need to delete the word General, which is pre-filled in the type box. This part is crucial as it clears the format, allowing us to input our custom format. After deleting General, press Alt+7 on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will generate a bullet point symbol, which is represented by a little dot. Following the bullet symbol, type the @ sign. This combination acts as a placeholder for the content in each cell, ensuring that your listed items are neatly paired with a bullet point. Once you've set this up, click the OK button to apply these changes to your highlighted cells. You should see that your selected cells now display bullet points preceding the text, providing a clean, organized look to your spreadsheet data. Before we finish up, a few additional tips. If your bullet points aren't aligning properly, check to ensure that you've correctly performed the Alt+7 shortcut. Additionally, remember that formatting changes, such as these custom bullets, will only apply to the cells you highlighted initially. If you need to adjust more cells, just repeat these steps. That's it. You've now successfully added custom bullet points to your Excel spreadsheet. This small change can make a big difference in presentation, creating a professional and easy-to-read format for your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy Excel formatting!